Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon Pixma TS705a. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the machine itself without involving a PC or laptop. And to get the process started, it's ever so simple. All we do is lift the lid of the printer here, exposing the ink cartridges. And with that done, the printer will realise and move the ink cartridge cradle over into the central position, where there's a little recess so you can access the bottom of the cartridges. Now none of my ink cartridges actually need changing, but I'm going to show you on the cyan one. And at the bottom of the cartridge here, there's like a little clip where I've got my thumb. Just press it down, you should hear it come loose a little bit. You can just lift them up, take the cartridge out, get your replacement cartridge, and just like you did with the originals, there'll be some protective packaging that needs taking off of the cartridge. Mine obviously doesn't have it because it's the same one. But if you think back to when you first installed your printer, there's a pull tab on the top. Take that off, and most cartridges also have a clamp on the bottom. With compatibles, it's quite often like a twist off one. But when you're confident everything's been removed, just slide it in back first, keep it down a little bit, just to get it underneath that little shelf. And when you're there, just press down on the front until you hear a little click. When it's sat flush with the rest, you know it's all the way in. Now with that done, all you need to do is close down the lid of the printer. And again, your printer will automatically detect that something's changed, and it'll start taking a look at the cartridge. If we look down at the screen of the printer, you'll see the printer can actually detect which cartridges have been messed around with, and it just asks for your kind of confirmation. Press OK to get past that screen. But to be honest, you can just leave it be, and as long as your printer hasn't detected an issue with the cartridge, you'll be returned to the screen anyway. If you found this video helpful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.